Hello everyone, welcome to Food Chemistry by Amruta. I hope you all are doing well. Well, talking about today's weather, it's really cold and cloudy at the same time, and I'm really getting a craving of having something piping hot and delicious so that it can make me a little warmer. For that reason, I'm planning to prepare delicious vada pav in Food Chemistry's kitchen. I'm going to make it quickly so that I can enjoy my vada pavs. For the vada pav process, I have already taken the mashed potatoes. These are 4 medium sized potatoes that has been boiled and cleaned, and I have mashed them. For the outer filling of the batata vada, this is the gram flour. This is 1 cup of gram flour. Into this I have already added few basic masalas, that's salt, turmeric powder and chili powder. You can also make use of coriander powder or cumin powder, but I am not preferring to add because I am planning to make it less spicy. And this will be very handy in any of the supermarket out there. So I have just taken 1 pack of pav. So let's get started first with the inner filling, that is the potato sabji for vada pav. Let's do that. I have taken a kadhai and I have turned on the gas. Now the kadhai is heated, so it's time to put oil. So 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil is enough. Next comes the jeera. Make sure you keep the gas flame on low because we don't want to burn the spices. Once it starts popping, we will put the other spices. I am not using any kind of vegetables because I prefer plain aloo batter, so I am not using any kind of onions or tomatoes because it will differ in the taste of your vada pav. Now it's time to put salt, so half a tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of chili powder, half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, I will give it a stir. Make sure your gas flame is on low, and at this point I will put the mashed potatoes. I will mix them properly. So here the aloo masala for the vada pav batter is almost ready. You can put little bit of coriander powder if you have, or else you can skip it. So the next step is we have to allow it to cool it down, and simultaneously we will start preparing for the outer filling of the batata vada process. As I mentioned that we will start making the outer filling of the batata vada, so I have taken another bowl and into this I have added the gram flour batter. It's now time to put little amount of water, and you have to maintain the consistency. Mix it properly and make sure you do not make it very thin because we want it to be in a thicker way. So keep checking for that and make the batter accordingly. So the outer filling of the vada pav batter is almost ready, and I am here sharing a secret trick with you for making that enhanced flavor of outer filling. We can make use of garlic. So I have used 2 garlic flakes. You can see this. I'm going to add this into the gram flour batter. Mix it well. You have to maintain the consistency. So if you find this it's little watery, you can put little amount of gram flour to make it thick. Let's start with the vada pav process now. So let's start making the batata vada. So with that inner filling of the mashed potato, we will make round balls. So in this way I will make the balls. I will keep it aside. You have to make balls in similar way. Size, it's completely your choice. If you want little small, you can make small. I am making it this much size, so we'll do that for the rest of the batter. I have taken a kadai and into this 3 tablespoons of oil has been taken, and now we will go with the last step of frying the batata vadas. So I think the oil is now almost heated up. Let's do the last step. Make sure you keep the gas flame on medium. Once they are done, you have to turn them upside down. The batata vadas are almost ready. I have turned them around and you can see. Allow them to cook on medium flame. Do not increase your gas flame. It's done. Looking beautiful and I'm just waiting for it. So my vada pavs are now ready. I'm going to pair it with green chilies, some lemon and some amount of grated chili chutney. It is optional, you can skip that also. I hope you like my video and the secrets that has been shared in this video too. Please subscribe and support to my channel. Keep watching Food Chemistry by Amruta. Thank you so much.